Here we have a 2003 Renault Trafic. It's the same as the Vauxhall Vivaro, the Nissan Primastar 1.9 DCI. It's coming with an electrical fault. You switch the ignition off, but the engine keeps running. You have to disconnect the battery, stall the engine, and then even with the ignition switched off, when you connect the battery again, all the ignition lights come on. I've disconnected the ECU, the body control unit, all the main relays, still doing the same thing. As soon as you connect the battery, ignition lights will come on. So that takes us to, must be a wiring loom fault. Investigate further. Where the wiring loom runs over the gearbox, it had been cable tied to a heater hose. I'll show you in the background there. And actually what had happened is the hose clip, just back down the back here, just get that out of the way. The hose clip you can see there had been rubbing against the wiring loom, cut into the wires, and as you can see in the foreground here, all these poor little old wires that are now all been melted together, and that's the problem. So ignition off. One of those is obviously a permanent live feed, and it's just feeding back to the ignition circuits. So obviously we're going to have to cut out the damaged section of wiring, repair it, and then when we re-secure the wiring loom, we have to make sure it's not rubbing on that hose clip. Bit unfortunate really. If that hose clip had been in any other position, it would never have happened. But hey ho, such is life. Gives us a repair job to do, and then we can get this van up and running again.